If you want the latest features, security improvements, bug fixes, and performance updates, here's how to update your PS5 system. First, start at the PS5 home screen. So make sure this is the home screen right here. And then from here, we're gonna go to settings on top. So then I'm gonna use right here and we're going to settings. Okay, so from settings, then we're gonna wanna go down to system right there. So we're in system and then system software. That's where you'll see system software update and settings. Go ahead and click that and it will check for you. So I just updated recently. So then now it says up to date. And that's because I actually have the download update files automatically with the toggle on. So that always keeps my PS5 up to date, although it could be a little bit annoying because sometimes when you want to play, it will take you to the update and then that may take 15 minutes or something like that, or even longer. But if you do need to update, make sure that you choose update using internet as an option. During the update, don't unplug your console or turn off the power. Your PS5 may restart several times while installing the update. If your PS5 says it's already up to date, you're all set and no further action is needed. And that's how to update your PS5 system software.